Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make shoelaces white again. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have an older shoelace and it is quite discolored. It was white at one point, but now you can see that over the years it's become discolored. I'm going to show you a really easy way to make it white again. What you need is some warm water. You could do this in a bowl or a mug, okay? So as you can see right here, I have warm water in this mug. Actually, it's a little bit bubbly, so there might still be soap. I usually use this mug for cleaning, so there might still be soap left in there from previously. So I'm just gonna fill it up nice and freshly. So get some warm water in a mug, just like this, okay? With your warm water in a mug or a bowl, you then want to get some laundry detergent, and you want to add just a little bit of laundry detergent to that water. So I just have a little bag with some laundry detergent that I use for videos. So I sort of just keep it around with me in this bag right here. So I'm going to put just a little bit. You don't need a lot, right? Because you're not washing a whole load of laundry. You're just doing just a little bit of washing with the shoelace, okay? So get your laundry detergent. I'm just gonna put the rest of it in there just like that, okay? Swirl it around so you have it all mixed in there. Get your shoelace that you wanna make white again, and then you wanna just put it in there, and you have a few options. Firstly, you can just leave it in there for a couple of hours. Let it soak, and that should whiten it up. Or you can do what I'm gonna do, which is sort of just swirl it around. You're gonna simulate almost like a washing machine in there. Swirl it around, and by doing this, you're gonna really allow it to get whitened up. And look at the coloration of the water, okay? It's already quite dirty. You can see right there, that was perfectly clean water. And just swirl it around just like that, okay? And the best part about this is that you don't need to do it for that long. Like I've only done it for, I don't know, maybe a minute right now, not even probably, okay? Swirl it around. I'm just kind of going like this with it in there, just squishing it together, right? And when you're done, you're gonna just rinse it out. Now, I obviously, if I would do this I would leave it in there for, let's say, half an hour or an hour, but I'm just gonna rinse it out to show you how much better it looks just right now, okay? So I'm gonna turn on the water, and I'm just gonna rinse it out just like this. Just rinse it out with the water, like that, okay? And I'll just wring it out just to show you that already it looks much better, right? Obviously, if I really wanted to whiten this, I would do that much more, and I'd let it soak in there for at least half an hour to an hour, but already it looks so much better with just that. So like I said, if you want to take it to the next level, you can do it for longer, but even with just that quick wash, it looks so much better. That said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.